Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Wednesday, February the 17th. Time is 8:42 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So here's a trade that I'm in. I am short, was short 10 contracts at 29.92. Up here, I took half off at 82. Stop still sitting at break even right now at 92. What's been going on is just a bunch of channeling for the most part. So what I was doing is just taking shorts kind of off of the 7 deviation line. So I took 2 successful shorts and just took 10 ticks off, full waited for a pullback. And as it started getting closer up here to the 7 deviation line, it wasn't giving me a 10 tick range. So at that point over here on this bar, got short at 92 and just kind of been holding at this point. So we'll just see what happens now. So no idea which way we're still going to go, but just kind of playing the moving average right here. This black line just kind of playing the slope. So finally closed below it. So now it's just a point of managing risk. So we'll see what happens here. So all right, guys, I'll be back shortly. We'll see where we're at. Okay, I just pulled 2 contracts off at 72 and still holding 3 contracts short from 29.92. So this line right here, this yellow line at 60, it's been strong pretty much for the past week and a half. So it was a strong resistance before. Now it looks like it possibly could become a support line. So it's pretty close to this 5 deviation line. So I still have no idea what direction we're going in. I'm not getting any valid prints just yet. So just kind of playing the deviation lines and the slope on the moving average. All right, guys, I'll be back shortly. Okay, something kind of interesting just happened. I didn't adjust my contract size at 92 where my stop was, and it jumped up. It stopped me out, but it also put me in 2 contracts long at 92. So I guess that actually kind of worked out well. So I just took one off just a moment ago up here at 10, and I'm still 1 contract long at 29.92 right now. So I'll just leave my stop sitting at 92, and we'll just kind of see what happens here. So all right, guys, I'll be back shortly. All right, I'm gonna move my stop on up to 30.07 here, and that will lock in 15 ticks. This is a trade that I'm not actually supposed to be in. It's just kind of one of the things that just worked out because I made a mistake on adjusting my stop. So just taking advantage of it. But yeah, there was no way I would have been able to jump this quick enough. So so this isn't really part of my trading plan. So I'm just gonna make sure I lock in the profits anyway. So again, pulled 1 off at 10. I'm gonna move my stop on up here to 7, and we can push on up to the 1 deviation line, and then I'll kind of re-gauge from that area there. So all right, guys, be back in a moment. Okay, just closed the trade at 30.18, and I'm out of this one now. So now I will be assessing again and seeing kind of which way we're going to go from this point here. So all right, be back in a moment. All right, guys, so wasn't able to take advantage of this short. It would have been a perfect opportunity. I got long down here at 44 right here. So I closed 8 of them at 54, so I'm still holding 2 contracts at 44, and we'll just kind of see where this ends up at. So I'm at profit goal now, and we'll see if we can just gain a few more ticks in this here. So all right, guys, be back, and we'll see where we end up at. Okay, took one more off right up here at the VWAP at 84 for what's that, 40 ticks? Yeah, for 40 ticks, and still holding 1 contract at 44. And I'll see if this one can run on up. Let's see where I got to get to. 30.44. That is 100 ticks. So, see, with us tapping the overbought a couple times, really difficult to say which direction still. So, Alchemy had the nice run down over here. No confirmation yet on the green. Starting to get some green bars in there. No confirmation with the arrow yet, but in a good position, utilizing risk management from this point here. So I'll adjust my stop. See, I'm here at 44. I'll adjust my stop on up for 10 ticks, and I'll just let the rest ride. So 54. That'll lock in another $100, I believe that is. And I will set a final take profit of 30. Yeah, 30.44. See if we'll get a 100 tick run out of this or not. But actually, I'm just going to walk away and not really pay much attention to this trade anymore. So let me get this adjusted here. And take profit is set there. So, all right, guys, I'll be back for the wrap up. And it's been a successful morning. It was a bunch of little bitty scalps that I was taking for full profit at 10 contracts off. So, all right, guys, I'll be back shortly. All right, I am back, and I see I got stopped out at 29.54. So, pretty nice push up afterwards, though. So let's see where I got stopped out. I guess somewhere back in here, so that's fine. So anyway, it was a successful day. So that is the end of this video, and that's the end of my trading for today. So all right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next video.